Today we have 2 cubes to unbox. I'm excited about this one. So I had a competition this weekend and I got a PR single in clock, which is pretty great for me. Anyway, let's get started with this cube. I want to give this one for the end of the video. So I've heard that this is the Axis cube. Where does it say? Yeah. Anyway, as I said, this is an Axis cube, so let's open it up. And just get out. There we go. Now, is there any instructions or something? No? It comes like this? Dude! Oh well, let's get that out of the way. So, this is the Axis cube. This is basically just a 3x3, and I've heard that these are the centers instead of like these ones or these ones, because these are corners, these are edges, and these ones are centers. Cause like this is an F, and yeah, it's actually a pretty cool cube. It is a shapeshifter, and when you're doing the cross, it's kind of like edge, 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 corner, 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 edge, 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 edge. And yeah, it's a bit weird. So I won't be doing a solve on this because I've never done it. So yeah, let's move on to the next one. So next, these are both just GE cubes. I'm so excited about this one. 6 plus.
Good thing I'm over 6 years old.
Oh, this is a cool picture. 90 millimeters. Chinese. So this is the Chi-Ming Plus. This is the non-magnetic version, I think. So I think this one comes with an instruction booklet. So let's open it up. This box is the best part. I don't rip the box. Oh my. Okay, so it has to be, yeah. This is the instructions. Yeah, we don't need that. So here's the cube itself. And as you can tell, it's quite big. I'll have to get a normal 3x3. I managed to find a regular 3x3. And when you put them side to side, they come to a big difference. I believe this is a 356 and this is a 390. Oh my god. Let's do some first turns. Oh my god. This is so smooth. I'm trying to reverse the teeth on this cube. That is so satisfying on a big cube. Alright, corner cutting, line to line. Okay, I'm confused. This small cube that I have doesn't even cut line to line. Barely. This one is just flawless. Let's try 45. Okay, it took a bit of force. But this cube doesn't even have anything. But yeah, I am gonna be finishing off the video with a solve. Yeah, I'll be back when I scramble this because this might take. So I got this scrambled. Let's time this solve. So let's start the solve. So yeah, I basically just use normal CFOP. Anyway, let's just get started. There's my cross. I have around 30 seconds on a normal 3x3. So try and guess what I'll get on this cube. Here's my second pair. Yeah, I might get a bit faster time because I gave myself a pretty easy scramble, or I didn't give myself. I mean, it just appears to be an easy scramble. This is a U-perm. And done. 47.65. That's quite good. Yeah, I really enjoyed this cube. And this cube, I will probably learn how to solve this cube sometime. But I have a feeling it's gonna take a while. Yeah, these three cubes are about the same size. Or these two cubes are. So anyway, I tried taking apart this cube, it doesn't work because it's pretty tight. But let's try this cube. That was easy. So here are the internals. It's pretty dark and you can't see much, but in reality, if we, for example, take out this edge, this is harder than it looks. Yeah, look how small the core is. Anyway, let's put back these pieces. Let's take off a center cap on this cube. It's quite hard to put back the pieces. Like, I'm using so much force right now. But he probably wants to make a cube that doesn't pop. So let's see the center caps. Okay, the center caps are huge on this cube. So look at that. Compared to a normal 3x3, just like a 2x2 block almost. But the screw, so tiny. So cute. Anyway, the cube itself is very good. It could definitely slow you down if it like average 10 seconds. But like, yeah, it's a pretty cool cube, such as this one, which is also pretty good. But yeah, that's the corner cutting on this cube. Yeah, I barely know how to turn it, so yeah, let me know if you guys want me to make a tutorial on this cube, which I'll probably never make, because I'll probably be struggling on this cube. Anyway, if you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like and subscribe, because I'm trying to get to 10 subscribers by the end of the year of 2024. And I'll see you guys next time.